We're here today to look at their new range of Titan equipment from Mizer.
UCL Sawmills is one of the largest sawmills in the KwaZulu-Natal region.
One of the reasons for them choosing the Titan range was due to the high throughput volume that this machinery offers.
The line of equipment that UCL opted for was a twin vertical saw, a twin band resaw, a double arbor multi-rip, and Titan's famous optimizing board edger.
With these 4 pieces of equipment, a daily throughput of 170 cubes plus is possible.
UCL Sawmills is an integrated company. It has a wattle section, it has a sugar mill section, and then the sawmilling side to it. We made the decision to change to the Mizer Titan line, and it's worked out quite well for us. Right, our process consists of the logs feeding into the mill, going through the vertical bandsaw, which breaks down the log into a cant. The cant carries on and goes through to the multi-rip. The slabs which fall off the side, they go on to the horizontal bandsaw, which then get further processed and off to the board edger. The main middle product that's coming through the multi-rip carries on to our green chains, and the slabs off the side come back through horizontal bandsaw, which then gets fed through to the board edger to cut the final board out of the sideboard.
At Mizer, we are really focused on relationships, and we want to build long-lasting relationships. We've really seen a lot of our customers grow from small operations to large operations, and the time has come that they take the next step into a bigger, more formal and sawmilling environment.